Hi, I'm Helen Santos, Support Specialist at JMV Technology, and in this video I'll show you how to create clips from your live stream in OBS Studio using the replay buffer without recording the entire stream or editing everything later. With this feature, you can save the best moments of your stream, like important plays, best scenes, or funny clips with just one click, or even using a keyboard shortcut. Remember, if you're a beginner and don't know how to use OBS, we have a complete free course available. Access the QR code. The first step is to activate the replay buffer. Go to Settings, then Output. Check the replay buffer option. In this field, you define how many seconds back you want to capture when you trigger the command. You can set any time you want. However, the longer the time, the larger the file size will be. So in the field below, adjust the size limit to be sufficient for each recording. Files will be saved in the same location where your recordings are stored. If you want to change this destination, just adjust the path here in the recording section. Click Apply. Now let's set up a shortcut. Click Shortcut Keys. In the Save Replay field, add your shortcut key and click Apply, then OK. To start using it, click Start Replay Buffer. Remember that this feature demands a lot from your computer. If your PC is less powerful, it may cause freezes or stream drops, especially if you're also recording the full stream. So I recommend testing it before using the buffer in your official live stream. Now just click this button or use your configured hotkey to save the clip. Once the video is generated, a notification will appear below informing you the file was saved. After that, just open the destination folder to see your clip is ready. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly and easily create clips from your live stream in OBS. If you're looking for a live streaming platform, check out JMV Technology's plans, which let you broadcast to your website and multiple social networks simultaneously from a single source, plus many other exclusive features. For more information, scan the QR code. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and follow us on social media for more content like this.